In today's video, I will teach you how to brainstorm content ideas using Canva Magic Write. Let's get started. Running out of content ideas happens to everyone. Whether you're planning social media posts, blog topics, or video concepts, Canva Magic Write can help you brainstorm fresh ideas quickly and without the overwhelm. So first, log into your Canva account, and in the homepage, click Canva AI to access Canva's Magic AI tools. Inside Canvas AI, you'll see a text box where you can type in whatever you need help with. Now click the doc icon to set the AI to Magic Write mode, which is designed for writing and planning content. Now click type and you'll see a variety of writing categories like blog posts, articles, stories, and emails. To brainstorm content ideas, select strategy. This helps the AI think more broadly and focus on ideas, planning, and structure rather than just writing copy. Now in the text box, explain the type of content ideas that you're looking for. Here, make sure to clearly state that you want content ideas, mention the platform like Instagram, YouTube, blog, email, and describe the topic or niche. You can also include a tone or vibe and specify the format if needed. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And here are some good prompt examples. An optional step is adding your brand kit. Adding your brand kit helps Magic Write generate ideas that align with your brand's voice and messaging style. This is useful if you want your content ideas to match how you normally communicate and stay consistent across platforms, especially when you're planning content long-term. And once your prompt is ready, press enter and let Canva Magic Write generate your content ideas. Now click on the response to view your content ideas in a clean document-style layout. Canva Magic Write will often provide multiple ideas, along with tips and a brief breakdown explaining how or why the ideas work. And if you're happy with the results, you can use the ideas to plan your content calendar, turn them into social media posts, videos, or blogs, save them for future campaigns, or share them with your team or clients. And if you want something different, you can ask the AI to refine the ideas, like narrow the focus, change platforms, adjust tone, or generate even more options. Just type in your next instruction into the prompt box and wait for the updated ideas. Canva Magic Write is a powerful brainstorming tool when you need fresh content ideas fast. With clear prompts and a bit of direction, you can quickly build a content plan that fits your brand and keeps you consistent. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.